same with the clients. You make sure you prep the client's nails, remove all of the dead skins, push back the cuticles, and 10 seconds, and wipe it off with the acetone to remove all the oil, and apply the beige gel here for 10 seconds. And we are going to using same with beige gels to sculpting it. I'm gonna pick up just 1 or 2 drop right here. Hey everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today tutorial we are going to do is Velvetty Gel. We have a lot of questions for Velvetty Gels. I was going to do that. So I am going to get just a smaller of a sky bling. You can get more or less, it's up to you. And don't alright. I do really. You can blend it and spread it out first using the spatula, and then we're gonna using the brush to sculpting it and guide it. All right. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. And then we're gonna go ahead and using the other end of the brush and saturate the brush with the beige gels. Don't need to use any others like alcohol or acetone or anything. This your beige gel will able to blend your velvety gel. Is really nice, silky, smooth, light, stronger, and easier. Yeah, like I don't know if you can see this kind of bling. So you are going to using the belly of your bristle and blend it down. So here, keep in mind you can do so many different ways, and you can either do it ombre look, or you can do the ombre look, or you can do it just full nails cover. So I'm gonna do, you see that the motion I do is just like more, it tapers in the side, the center of the nails, because you don't want is gonna running on the side. And then also if you pay attention on this, you can see that how nice, and it just go exactly the way we wanted it. Thank you, Dom. All right, so you can see that how nice, it's easy it is, and it will not setting yet until you cure it. All right. Hey Facebook, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey Instagram. So now you're happy with this. I am gonna add just a little bit of glitter. You can add it on some, or you can just add few colors. Okay. Now I'm gonna pick some of ours. Fruit. I have it right here. Some strawberry, some kiwi. Remove it right here. It looks like a grapefruit. You can add more if you want to, okay? This will be so much fun and easy for beginners. You don't have to worry about like your beads is not gonna be perfect, or your beads going to be you know, is not perfect, it's not the right ratios. It definitely will be a really awesome for beginner. All right, so I am going wipe this off. So what I did is while Velvetty Gel is still wet, so I'm applying some oil in there, and now I am going to cure, flash cure for 30 seconds. You can add more. Let's see what is we have in here. Maybe one more. I should put some like banana will looks good too. So cute. All right, so I am going to cure now. Hey Messy Genesee, hey, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy Monday, everyone. All right, so then now we are going to get some crystal clear to cap completely the nails. Hey Jasmine from Facebook, hi Facebook, hi Instagram. Thanks so much for tuning in. Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna scoop the crystal clear and cap it right on the fruit that we did, and then also the glitter and completely nails with sky bling, because it's had a really cool particles glitter. So you want to make sure even you're doing a sky bling, it's nice to have a really thin coat of a clears on to definitely seals and complete and cap yours glitter, and also the encapsulates like anything. And if you add more glitter on the sky blings, it's gonna be just really cool and easy. So I am going to using the brush and saturate, submerging into the gel base right here. The base gels right there is over here, is hidden somewhere. All right, and blend it. Just keep your brush is parallel with the nails, it's flat. Tuck it in the cuticles, and then you are blending it. All right, keep your brush flat and blend it. And if you see the motion is, I'm using it toward right in the center of the nails. And then blend that. Okay. You see how super crystal clear it is. You're done with